In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, actionable task that keeps your follow-ups and to-dos organized inside your CRM. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account using your usual credentials. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct account so your task ends up in the right place. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left sidebar and look for the CRM section. That's where you'll find the Tasks tool. Go ahead and click Tasks to open your task dashboard. In the top right corner of the task screen, click Create Task. This opens the Task Editor panel, where you'll enter the details. Begin with a clear, specific title. A good title starts with an action and includes the outcome you want, like Call to Confirm Demo Date or Email Proposal Draft for Review. The more precise the title, the easier it is to scan your list later. Next, choose a task type. Pick the option that best matches what you're doing, such as call, email, or a general to-do. Setting the right type helps you batch similar work and use queues more efficiently. Set the priority to indicate how urgent or important the task is. Use high for time-sensitive follow-ups, medium for routine work, and low for long-range items. Consistent priorities make sorting and daily planning faster. If this task relates to a specific contact, company, deal, or ticket, associate it with those records. Associations keep context in one place, so when you open a contact or a deal timeline, you'll see this task alongside emails and notes. It also improves reporting and makes handoffs smoother for your team. Add a due date, so HubSpot knows when the task should be completed. Choose the date and time that aligns with your workflow and time zone. Tasks without due dates are easy to overlook, so it's worth setting one even if it's flexible. Set a reminder to get notified before the task is due. Pick a reminder time that gives you enough runway to prepare, whether that's an hour before a call or the day prior to a proposal deadline. Use the Notes area to capture any context you'll need later, like key points to cover, links to documents, or a brief checklist. This saves you from digging through emails when it's time to act. When everything looks good, click Create. Your task is now saved, visible on your Tasks page, and linked to any records you associated. That's it. Your HubSpot task is ready to keep you on track.